Internet. Student will be able to define Internet and its use in our day-to-day life, understand the requirements to work on Internet, use Internet browsers, that is Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, use Internet Explorer toolbar, define important terms related to the Internet. The Internet is a huge collection of computers around the world. These computers are all linked together and they can talk to each other, sharing information. If your computer is connected to the Internet, it can connect to millions of other computers in many different parts of the world. Uses of the Internet. Internet has become a part of our everyday life. The major uses of the Internet are: it can be used to search anything and everything. Most popular search engines are Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. Shopping has become easier over the Internet. You can buy or sell online. It helps people to communicate through emails and chatting. Students can find many useful things to learn on the Internet. We can listen music, watch video from popular websites. We can reserve our travel tickets using Internet. It provides us news and latest information on various topics. We can download useful software programs. www. www stands for World Wide Web. World Wide Web is an information space which aims to provide access to large number of documents. It is a series of servers which are interconnected through hypertext. Hypermedia is an advanced version of so-called hypertext. It can link audio files, text files, video files, etc. URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It is used to specify addresses on the World Wide Web. A URL identifies the resource connected to the web. URL: http://address/path. The form may be similar to http://address. HTTP specifies the type of server on which the file resides. The address part is the address of the server, and the path refers to the location of the file on the server. For example, http://download.com/software/scratch.exe. Here, HTTP is the type of server and download.com is the address of the server. And software is the path of the file scratch.exe. Uniform Resource Locator is an address of the file on the Internet. ISP. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. The Internet connection is provided by the ISP. Web page. The large collection of documents in the World Wide Web is called web pages. A web page is a collection of text, audio, graphics, video, etc. Website. A website is a collection of web, A web page can contain any type of information and can include text, color, graphics, animation and sound. Basic window buttons. Standard Windows operating system buttons are located at the top right corner of any Internet Explorer window. The far right button closes Internet Explorer. The middle button adjusts the window size, and the leftmost of the three buttons minimizes the window. Web address field. The web address field, located near the top left of the window, shows the URL of the current page, otherwise known as web address. To navigate to a new address, simply type it into the field. Back and forward buttons. These navigation buttons, located at the top left, allow you to go back to previous websites with a simple click. Navigate forward by clicking the arrow pointing to the right. Tab button. Located near the title of the current website, the tab button is clicked to open a new browser tab for easy back and forth browsing between multiple URLs. Tools menu. The Tools menu is a very important feature, allowing you to access the Internet options window for homepage selection, security features, web permissions, and other advanced Internet Explorer options. Google Chrome. Google Chrome browser is an open-source program developed by Google for accessing the World Wide Web and running web-based applications. Opera. Opera is a web browser and internet suite developed by Opera Software. The browser handles common internet-related tasks such as displaying websites, sending and receiving email messages, managing contacts, chatting on IRC, downloading files via BitTorrent, and reading web feeds. Opera is offered free of charge for personal computers and mobile phones. Net surfing. Surfing means to view the different web pages of a website using a web browser on the internet. By entering the address of website in the address bar of a web browser program, your computer is connected with the remote computer and you can go through various web pages. Good habits. Do not sit for a long hours for browsing internet. Never open illicit sites on the internet. Keywords. Internet, Internet browser, ISP, website, web page, forward, URL, www, refresh, homepage,